Hi love! So, good evening everyone. Today, I'll share with you yung alaman ng aking parcel. So, yes, kaka-deliver lang ito today and I'm actually hesitant to buy it at first kasi for me, it's quite expensive for its size, for the purpose of the product. Who goes to division office every now and then, I think I need this product. So, samahan niyo ako ang bukas ng price. So, this is what happened sa box. Because siguro, dahil malayo yung area ko, kaya nagka-dent yung box na to. Because, ano lang ha, para sa kaalaman ng lahat, kung ang haba ng binahing ng parcel na to, almost 5 days din yung shipping papunta sa amin. So, this is the Aurashare handheld fan. Parang timing din siya pagdating na kanina because I'm going to use it tomorrow. To give you a brief background, I'm an admin assistant of one of the government agencies here in the Philippines. So, as part of my job, pumupunta ako ng division office from time to time. Maybe once every month or twice every month, depende kung merong mga documents na kailangan i-submit. So, it's either magtatravel ka really early in the morning, then babalik ka noon time or late in the afternoon ka. So, dahil sa situation natin ngayon, the weather, kailangan ko talaga bumili ng electric fan dahil nagko-commute lang ako. Even though may sasakyan ng parents ko, but I'm not using it because mas specific lang na cost na kaya nila bayaran. Like your pamasahe. So, I decided na mag-commute na lang. This is quite expensive na for me. Although, may isang product or may isang brand that is like double the price na nito or more to choose this product kasi marami akong na-relate na positive reviews. Check natin yung products. So this is what inside the box. Charger. Type-C po. Type-C yung charger. Ganda yung charger kasi color white. And the product itself, it's really small. Yeah. See, this is the product itself. It's white. I choose the white color kasi parang very common na kasi yung black. And it also had this. Ito. Yung kanyang guide. Yes. So we're going to put it here para hindi mawala. Siyang parang keychain. Hindi mo siya keychain kasi hindi siya chain. Hey, this is it. We will try. So, this is number 1. Malakas na siya yung fairness. This is number 2. Number 2. Number 3. Hindi maglupok. Number 4. Ang iyating. And it has number 5. Pwede siyang pang blower. Malakas din naman siya. That's it. May 5 siyang fan levels. You can see, meron siyang battery indicator there. So ngayon, half na lang ng kanyang battery cell, yung kanyang battery level. I'm going to charge it dahil kailangan ko ito focus. So, for the review ng product, kanyang performance, Siguro I'll try this when I went home na from division office mga around 10 or mga ganun. So, itetest natin siya kung gaano siya ka lakas, if hindi mainit. That's it for tonight. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.